So everyone has been showing you all these fancy interfaces. Everyone has shown you yet another way to manage all these pieces. Wouldn't it be nice if somebody just showed you it all working? And I mean, I'm not going to give you another interface. I'm not going to show you another APIs you have to use, because the stuff that I'm using is all the standardized stuff. So Steve, if you would, bring up the first slide. Steve Smith's going to be over driving the slides for me. Basically, what we've done here is we've taken the pieces that your community has already developed, in particular the OVS controller, or the OVN controller. We've taken that, we've mated that with our fabric, our data center fabric, which allows you to get a single view of the entire infrastructure that's out there. We're taking bare metal servers, and we're managing this entire environment through interfaces that you already know. For example, VMware was up here just a few minutes ago showing you a beautiful interface into Neutron to show you exactly how to configure these things. Why do you want another interface? You don't. You want an infrastructure that just works, and that's what we're showing out here. We have a fabric that allows you to just take two. So imagine this, in 2014 you can do this. You can take two devices and plug them together, and without any external agent, they work. That's revolutionary. And that's scary to networking people, because we expect this stuff to be hard, but it doesn't need to be hard. Let's move it up to the overlay layer. Let's move it up to the logical network so that we can actually take the pieces that have already been developed and use them. The way that we're doing this is by taking standard interfaces, for example, OVSDB. By exposing the OVSDB into a fabric, an intelligent fabric, we allow you to take bare metal servers, attach them, and through common management APIs, you can get to any resource you want. And you can do it by talking to a single entity, so that you can see the entire network. So that means that I can transport VXLANs from point to point. I can transport across a VXLAN, and I can come out onto a VLAN to be communicating with a bare metal server. And I can mix and match the two, and I do all this without having to understand the overlay that runs underneath of it. Now, because my stuff just works, I don't have a fancy GUI to show you. You've seen all these other fancy GUIs. But if you want to see proof of how this infrastructure is put together, and you actually want to see how you can eliminate all this complexity and just put something underneath of your management interface that actually works, then stop by our booth and we'll be happy to show it to you in whatever detail you want to see.